How to install add-ins in Outlook.
First, open your Outlook application. Then navigate to the top right menu bar and look for the More Apps option. If it's not visible, don't worry, it may be hidden by default. Simply select any email and you'll see the More Apps icon appear. Now, click on More Apps. From here, you can quickly search for any app or extension. To explore more options, click on Get Add-ins to open the Add-ins for Outlook window. In this window, you'll find a wide range of add-ins. You can also use the search bar to find a specific one. To install an add-in, simply open it and click on the Add button. The add-in will be installed instantly. To manage your installed add-ins, go back to the Add-ins for Outlook window and select My Add-ins. Here, you can view all the add-ins you've installed. If you ever want to remove an add-in, click on the 3 dots next to it and select Remove. The add-in will be uninstalled immediately. And that's how you can easily install and uninstall add-ins in Outlook. Thanks for watching!